Okay, so today we'll be changing the cabin air filter on our 2015 Ford Mustang, and this applies to all Ford Mustang models 2015 and up. So the things you'll need is the filter itself. This is a premium cabin air filter part number, where's it at? 527998. And it's been a while since I've changed my air filter, so we'll see how it looks like. And you'll also need this Torx bit. You could either use a screwdriver, and this is the I don't know if you guys can see it, T20 Torx bit. Alright, so here's how to access the filter. So you get in your car, take your glove box down. Over here, gonna pull that up and pop it out. Let me see. Right there, like that. Pop it out. And then you see these two tabs. One right there, one right there. Just push it out. Like that. Like that. And it just comes right down. Then you'll see this door. Over here, this is where the filter rests. And over there, I don't know if you guys can see it, there's a small little Torx bit right there. Get more light in there. Right over there. So this is where this comes in place, and you just take it out. There you go. The cover should just pop right out, just like that. Just remove the cover. And then, here goes the filter. Ooh, it looks pretty gnarly. Oh yeah, I should have changed this a long time ago. There we go. That's the filter. Bring that out. And be sure to clean out the filter as well, or around the filter, so you could get every last bit of debris and dust out of there. Alright, so here are the differences to my air filter. Also, when you take it out, always make sure to remember where the airflow of the filters is before you install it. So mine came out this way, so the airflow is going that way. And to compare the two filters, here's this one, the clean one, the new one, and then here's the old one. And this is probably after 5 years. Or not 5 years, 2 years. I recommend changing these out, I would say every year, just so you can have a fresher in-cabin experience. But I'm not a mechanic, so I'm just gonna install it the same way I took it out, and that's it. Stay tuned for the next video. Save money at the dealership and do it yourself. Also, like, comment, subscribe if you like this video or it helped you out. Thanks. Bye. Okay, and also the way you put it back in, the way I took it back, the way I took it out was wrong. You can take it out through this way, but you're just gonna destroy the old filter. But to install it, you just go through underneath the dashboard right here. So there's an opening here that you can see right there. That's that's underneath the footwell. So you just take your hand. Let's see. Just take your hand, and you'll be able to reach underneath there. Just slide the filter up that way from underneath. Just a heads up.